Hi Gemini, this is your reading. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you see it is when you were meant to receive it. We'll be doing a past, present, future spread to understand what your past has been, your present is, and your future will be. This could be Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or Jupiter. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't, and you will know if it's meant for you. Alright, Gemini, let's start with the oracle. Take a deep breath in, Gemini, out of your mind and into your heart. Feel the divine consciousness flowing, always flowing into you and through you. Merge with that oneness that we all are made of. All the love, all the peace, all the light. Love is our true nature. And the sooner we realize, the sooner we'll be able to integrate with the divine consciousness. Be so still. Keep your mind so still. Away from the past, away from the future, and only in the present moment. Gemini, I just did a Leo reading and I'm super blown away with the reading. That was indeed a divine feminine, divine masculine reading, I feel. Alright, Gemini, tapping into your past, your present, and your future. Alright, Gemini. You have been in a place of letting go, I feel. And now you are trying to follow some rule book, maybe a disciplined life. Not getting attached to things, but just being on this journey that you have come to fulfill on this planet. Fulfill your karmas. You're just going with the flow, doing your day to day with utmost discipline. You have set things free and allowing things to come as and when it is ready for you, as and when you are ready for it. Alright, Gemini, one last shuffle. That's it. Your past, present, future. Gemini, let's see the overall energy for the reading. Past. Present. Future. Alright, Gemini. The overall energy for the reading, the Seven of Pentacles. You have been waiting on something, I feel. There is a sense of waiting. We'll clarify this. I do feel something else also here. We'll clarify and see what that is. In the past, you have Four of Swords, you have King of Cups, and you have the Ten of Pentacles. A relationship that brought in healing for you, a relationship that was a long-term one, a stable one. There was a lot of love in the relationship for sure, in whatever partnership this is, whatever form of partnership this is. In the present, you have Judgment, Page of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. You are at a crossroads of trying to let go of something and start something new. Some of you, it could be that you are facing a job loss of some sort, and you could be starting something new on your own, pursuing a passion that you've always wanted to pursue. In the future, you have Four of Cups, Knight of Wands, and the Two of Wands. You could be going back and forth in the past, Gemini. That's what I feel here. In and out, hot and cold, with some situation that's been going on in your life. Yes. You are at a crossroads, and it's time for you to make some sort of choice. Whatever sort of rule book that you have always been following, or the society taught you that this is how it should be, I think it's time for you to go beyond that, Gemini. I strongly feel that. For whoever, this may not be for all of you guys watching. This could be for some of you. Seven of Pentacles here. I feel that maybe the society always wanted you to be engineers or doctors or whatever, but you always had something else in mind. It could be about a lot of pentacles I see in this. I don't know, it's at least popping out to me very strongly, the pentacles. It could be the way of, like, this is the way that you can make money. I think that idea or that mindset is going away. The Seven of Pentacles here for Gemini. Clarify the Seven of Pentacles, please. Wow, okay. You have the Four of Wands here. Clarifying the Seven of Pentacles. Some of you could be waiting on somebody for them to say a yes and to get married. It could be that. Let's see, I need more on this. Clarify Pentacles for after the Four of Wands. Oh, these are too many. Seven of Pentacles, please. Pentacles, please. I'll take that. This could be a relationship for some of you out there. This could be a relationship. A love relationship. Yes, I must be specific. It could be a love relationship for some of you out there. You've been waiting on this, but by neglecting yourself. Were you waiting on this by neglecting yourself? Pentacles for the current situation. Where's the Five of Pentacles here? Wow, okay. Ooh. Alright, so this feeling of ending that maybe you don't deserve love, or the idea that you will be left out in the cold if you get fall in love or get into a relationship. I guess that perspective in you is changing, that you have to keep waiting. And Gemini, I quite feel that you have been waiting for somebody. But what about your action? What about your action in any relationship? Are you taking the necessary action to make it work? Whether it's your work, whether it's pursuing your passion, whether it's that new hobby that you want to pursue, whether it's a lover that you want to pursue, whether it's taking the next step forward in a relationship. Gemini, you have shown up in your reading. I totally missed that. Bring in that balance, Gemini, that equal give and take. When it comes to you and when it comes to the other person, make sure that as much as you are giving to yourself, you are giving to the other person too. Make sure that the other person is giving as much as they are giving to themselves too. Just don't sit there. I think it's time to take action, Gemini. Whatever choice, whatever crossroads you think you are at, time to take action. That's the title for your video, Gemini. Yes, I guess that's it. We will clarify. No, we will not clarify anything more. We'll see what is the divine guidance for you. What is the divine guidance for Gemini? The divine guidance for Gemini, please. More shuffling. All right. You have Bhuvaneshwari. Let's see what that is about. I'll read that out for you. What is the divine guidance for Gemini here? Goddess of space and infinite possibilities. You have learned the art of creating space and are experiencing the cosmos that exists inside of you. Bhuvaneshwari comes to you in deep meditation, in profound nature, in oceans and in silence. Her stillness guides you to enter deeper into the cosmic web of potentials that exist for you in the present moment. Continue making time for whatever brings you to a point of total stillness. That is where your true self resides. Know that you are not just part of the earth, but the earth is also part of you. You are lovingly held by her presence. Whatever it is, Gemini, total acceptance of your true nature. I guess that's the message here. Don't try to think of what the society will be thinking is right or wrong. What is right for you? I think that's the step you need to take. That's the message for you, Gemini. I hope this resonates for you and comes to you whenever you need it the most. Until next time, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.